Today we will do analysis of solution number 18. So for this, first we will do the preliminary test, and its first test is color. So we will see the color of the OS. You can see it is colorless. So in the observation you will write colorless, and in the inference you will write Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, Ni plus 2, Cu plus 2, etc. are absent. Now we will proceed to litmus test. So first we will start with blue litmus paper. We will dip this in the OS. You can clearly see that blue litmus has been changed to red. So in the scheme you can see blue, when blue changes to red, the solution is acidic. So in the inference you will write salt of strong acid and weak base. Flame test. For this we need platinum wire. So before doing this flame test we need to clean this wire. So for cleaning you will dip this wire into concentrated HCl and you will heat it continuously. Then we will perform the flame test. Now we will do the flame test for solution number 18. You can see green colored flame which shows the presence of Ba plus 2 ion in the given solution. Test for the positive radical. For this we will do the test number 1, that is for group 1. We will take OS in a test tube. To this we will add dilute HCl. You can see there are no precipitates. So in the observation you will write no precipitates, group 1 absent. Now we will proceed to second test. So in the same test tube we will add H2S water. You can see there are no precipitates. So in the observation you will write no precipitates, second group absent. Now we will proceed to third test, that is for third A. For this we will take OS in a fresh test tube. To this we will add ammonium chloride, and after this we have to add ammonium hydroxide till the solution becomes alkaline. So for this we will put a red litmus paper in the test tube. After this we will add ammonium hydroxide till the red litmus paper turns blue. So you can see the paper has changed to blue and you cannot see any precipitates. That means third A group is also absent. Then we will proceed to test number 4, that is for group third B. Into the same test tube you will add H2S water. Here also you can see no precipitates. So in the observation you will write no precipitates, and in the inference you will write group third B is absent. So we will proceed to fifth test. So for this we will take OS in a fresh test tube. Then we will add ammonium chloride. Then as we have to add ammonium hydroxide till the solution becomes alkaline, so we will add red litmus paper. Then we will start adding ammonium hydroxide till the paper turns to blue. You can see the paper has turned blue. So after this we will add ammonium carbonate. You can see white precipitates. So in the observation you will write white precipitates, fourth group present. The C part, that is group analysis. So in this, as we have found the precipitates in group 4, so we will do the analysis of group 4, and the test for group this analysis is OS. So we will take OS in a fresh test tube. To this we will add calcium sulfate, CaSO4. So you can see white precipitates. So in the observation, as you can see in the scheme, if you don't get precipitate, then Ca+2 may be present, and if you get white precipitate, then Ba+2 may be present. So today we have found white precipitate, that means Ba+2 may be present in the given solution. Directly move to D part, that is conformative test for positive radicals. So as we have found Ba+2 in this part C, so we will do the conformative test for Ba+2. So you can see in the scheme there are 3 conformative tests. So we will do the first one. For this we will take OS in a fresh test tube. To this we will add K2CrO4. You can see yellow precipitates. So you will see in the scheme that in the observation, if you get yellow precipitates, then Ba+2 is confirmed. So this is our first confirmative test. For the second confirmative test, we will take OS in a fresh test tube. To that we will add dilute sulfuric acid. You can see white precipitates. So in the observation, if you get white precipitates, then Ba+2 is confirmed. Now we will proceed to third confirmative test for Ba+2. For this we will take OS in a fresh test tube. To this we will add sodium carbonate. Here also you can see white precipitates. So in the observation, if you get white precipitate, then Ba+2 is confirmed. The E part, that is wet test for the negative radicals. For this, first we will do the test for chloride. For this we will take OS in a test tube. Then we will add AgNO3, that is silver nitrate. We can see that there are no precipitates. That means in the observation, you will write no precipitates, Cl- absent. Then we will do the test for sulfate. For this we will take OS in a test tube. Then we will add barium chloride to it. Here also you can see no precipitates. That means sulfate ion is absent. So in the observation you will write no white precipitates, SO4 - 2 absent. The test of nitrate, we will take OS in a test tube. Then we will add copper foil into it. Then we will add concentrated sulfuric acid. After this we will heat. You can see the evolution of brown fumes. This is of NO2. So in the observation you will write brown fumes of NO2 gas, and the inference you will write NO3- may be present. Now we will do the F part, that is confirmative test for the negative radical. In this we will do the confirmative test for nitrate. For this we will take little amount of OS in a test tube. Then we will add concentrated H2SO4. Then we will cool the test tube under the tap water. After this, we will add freshly prepared FeSO4 from the side of the test tube. You can see the brown ring at the junction of the test tube. So this confirms that our solution contains nitrate as the negative radical. So in the observation you will write brown unstable ring at the junction, and the inference you will write NO3 minus confirmed